Hi friends, today we're going to discuss one of the most relevant topics of our time, loneliness in the 21st century. Despite technology making us more connected, many of us feel more alone than ever. Let's explore why this is happening and how we can cope with it. Causes of loneliness. The first cause of loneliness is technological dependence. We often see people engrossed in their phones, even when they're in company. Social media allows us to communicate, but this communication is often superficial. Real connections require time and effort, which we sometimes aren't willing to invest. Another important factor is increased mobility. We live in an age of change where many of us frequently move or switch jobs. This makes it difficult to establish deep, lasting relationships. Just when we find friends, we may have to move again and start over. Finally, there's societal pressure to be successful and self-sufficient. This leads to social isolation. People are afraid to open up and share their feelings, fearing they'll appear weak. As a result, many remain lonely despite having acquaintances and colleagues. Consequences of loneliness. Loneliness can have serious consequences. It negatively impacts mental health, increasing the risk of depression and anxiety. Studies show that lonely individuals often experience higher stress levels and lower self-esteem. But this isn't just a psychological issue. Loneliness also affects physical health. It is linked to a higher risk of cardiovascular diseases and weakened immunity. Therefore, ignoring this feeling is not an option. How to cope with loneliness. Now, let's talk about how to cope with loneliness. The first thing to do is to seek support. Don't hesitate to reach out to friends and family. Open communication can significantly reduce feelings of isolation. The second way is to find new hobbies. Participating in group activities, such as sports teams or interest clubs, can help you meet new people and expand your social circle. Finally, use technology wisely. Instead of just scrolling through social media, organize video calls with friends or acquaintances. This can help establish deeper connections. Conclusion. Loneliness in the 21st century is a serious issue, but it's one we can overcome. It's important to recognize our feelings and actively work on building meaningful connections. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Share your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.